Welcome. This video will guide you through the features of Corjl, a powerful tool for editing your So Perfect Printables templates. We'll cover everything you need to know to create perfect designs with confidence. Let's begin with an overview of the Design Editor. When you open a design in Corjl, you'll see several key areas. On the left are tabs that show menu options where you can add new elements like images and text. Along the bottom, you'll find a toolbar for page navigation. To the right is a panel where you will find the design layers. Finally, the top toolbar contains specific editing tools that appear when you select an object on the canvas. Let's look at the tabs on the left side. The Designs tab shows all the templates included in your order. Use the scroll bar to see more templates if needed. The Images tab controls all the aspects of the images in your template. This left tab shows the additional images for your design that So Perfect Printables has provided. The right tab is where you find your artwork that you uploaded. To upload your images, click the Upload Image box. Drag and drop your image to upload. Drag and drop the image to your canvas. Use the gray dots on the corner of the box to scale your image. Click the Text tab, where you will find Add a Text box. You can then format the text using the options in the top toolbar. The Background tab allows you to edit the background of your design. However, please note some of the designs do not have this Background tab option. You can fill the background with a color or gradient. You can also use an image by clicking the Image button. If you want to remove the background, simply select the None option. Also in the left menu, you may see an Instructions button. This is where you can find the Quick Start instructions. There may also be printing instructions. The Revert to Original button in the bottom left-hand corner will undo all changes you've made to the design. It will revert back to the default design before you started making any changes. The right panel holds the layers for your design. From here, you can lock a layer to prevent it from being moved, or delete a layer using the trash can icon. If you've moved a layer off the canvas and can't select it, you can right-click it in the Layers panel and choose Recall to bring it back. The Bottom Toolbar is for managing the pages in your design. Clicking on the Duplicate Page button is how you can make copies of your design. It will make an exact copy of the page you are on. You can use the arrows to navigate between pages, or click the Page Thumbnail view to see all pages at once, where you can rearrange or delete them. There are zoom controls on the bottom right. You'll always find general tools on the top right like Delete, Duplicate, Undo, Redo, and Download. Note there is no Save button, as your edits are saved automatically, indicated by the small cloud icon next to the design name. If you right-click on an open area of the canvas, a menu appears. You can activate Snap for easy alignment. Here's an example with the Snap feature activated versus when it is turned off. Manage the visibility of the bleed area, rulers, and guides under the View option. You can customize your work area to your preferences. However, some designs will not have all these options. Please note, the dimensions of the template cannot be changed. Each design in your order will have a status. Incomplete means you have not started designing the template yet. Saved means you've made changes to the template. Downloaded appears after you've downloaded the file. When you are satisfied with your design, click the Download button on the top right. Choose a file type, PDF, JPEG, or PNG from the drop-down menu. For PDF files, the Fit Multiples per Page option will maximize the amount of designs on one piece of paper. If you have multiple designs that you saved under the duplicate page option and you want to have one of each of the designs on one piece of paper, click the box next to Tile Different Design Pages. You can specify which pages to download and choose to include a Show Bleed area or Show Trim Marks to help with cutting. Other formats like JPEG and PNG files have similar options for bleed and trim marks.
This covers the basics of the Corjl editing platform. To take a deeper dive into the program, watch the next video that demonstrates the details of text and image editing. Thanks for watching.